think I got. I think I'm going that way because the simplest way for grass to lay down. That's grass. Pushing the air out.
The only way I see is to keep the water level in the pool is just keep pushing it up, and then making sure that the bottom of the pool the bottom of the pool is absolutely flat, and trying to get the wrinkles out of it.
Alright, well, the show shut down on me. See what I'm doing here. Okay, a lot of grassy bumps and stuff. So that was sending a lot of water away from here. So now it's time to run around the edges. Press the water down so the water weight down the edges like it should, and you're also getting the little bumps and stuff out of it, making sure the floor is as wide as it'll go. This area here will be really important because it's sucking the water through for filtering. Just about got the bottom laid out. Whole floor covered now. hoping in the end it's not going to be as bad off as down up there. You gotta find level ground. Unfortunately, I live on a hill.
As lucky as I am being, there is certain areas that are somewhat level because the original owner here at one time had put mobile homes on the property. So there's like 4 or 5 level pads similar to this one that were graded out of the hill here. So those could be put on the property.
Send it through straight out the well. Alright. Let that run a little longer. What do I see here? I was looking at something else. I think as that lifts up, it's going to come back this way a little bit. I think there'll be too much water pressure on it, but that's as high as this thing's going to go up anyway. Freaky look to it. Alright. There's a great big duck pond. Alright. Taking Mr. Air compressor home. I'll get a couple of tarps to lay out there so the kids can take their sneakers and stuff off and stay right on the tarp and get right in, and I'll keep some of the grass out. Won't keep it all out, that's for sure, but all right. You guys don't need to see me carrying that back up there. Right. Looking good. Actually gonna have a deep end and a shallow end, I think. It's gonna wind up being nice. I measured the youngest child. His waist is about 24 inches. Right now we got about 10 inches.
Why isn't it blown up?
What isn't blown up? That is blown up.
Why isn't it blown up?
That's the way it is. The water builds it up. The only thing that's blown up is this. And the weight of the water what gives you the walls. Because this bows out.
So why is that higher?
Because that's the angle of the. It's at an angle.
So it's actually going to be standing up like this.
Yeah, when it's full.
Okay. All right. That's acceptable. I thought you were telling me this is what it was going to look like. No, this is not acceptable looking like this. Looking like this is acceptable.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. It's
All right.
lower a couple extra 100,000 gallons ago.
Okay. That works for me.
And once it gets up.
Yeah. That works for me. That's good. And this is running or no? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, and
Because that's got to be.
oh, I see, and that's how you're putting the water in it. I gotcha.
So it's got to be. Water's got to be at least
Honey, it's backtracking.
that height. No, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that. Put in there.
Yeah, because I bought them water wings. They've been in the big pool at freaking the hotel.
Oh, okay.
They aren't unfamiliar with a pool. This is going to be a baby pool to them. They're in the big pool.
They're swimming in the big. They swim.
They get in the big pools.